Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Okay, picture this. A normal guy in the Philippines wakes up one day and realizes everything they told him about retirement is completely wrong. No trust fund, didn't even finish high school, no fancy degree, yet at just 24 years old, he walked away from his day job forever. Sounds impossible, huh? That's exactly what the system wants you to believe. Here in the Philippines, they push the same old script: grind until 60, max out your SSS contributions, hope pag-ibig grows, and pray your health lasts so you can finally enjoy life. But let's be real, recent data shows average life expectancy in the Philippines is only around 71. So if you follow the normal plan and retire at 60, you get roughly 11 years. 11 years to travel, relax, and actually live. If your body cooperates and nothing goes wrong, 11 years, that's the grand prize we are all supposed to chase. Today, we are exposing the truth through the story of one ordinary young man who said no to all of that. He didn't wait. He didn't need millions. He just got obsessed with one idea. What if I made my entire life so cheap that I didn't need a huge salary to run it? Stick around for the next couple of minutes because this changes everything. Let's talk about him, a regular Filipino guy from the Metro Manila area. No special advantages. At 24, in his resignation letter. Colleagues thought he was crazy. Family worried he'd end up broke. But here's what actually happened. He didn't chase a higher salary. He chased a lower cost of life. He cut his monthly expenses so low that a few thousand pesos of flexible side income was enough to cover everything. Suddenly, the day job wasn't required anymore. Nobody taught him this in school. Nobody at work mentioned it because honestly, nobody profits when you skip that rat race early. Banks, corporations, even the government system wants you working and contributing until 60. But this guy figured it out on his own. He started small. He tracked every peso. He asked himself every single day, do I really need this expense? Within a couple of years, his rent, food, transport, and utilities dropped dramatically. He house hacked by renting a small affordable space and subletting a tiny portion or simply optimizing his living area so efficiently that cost stayed tiny. He built simple side income streams, nothing glamorous, just consistent. And the craziest part, the traditional retirement advice of max your SSS or Pag-ibig or GSIS equivalent and weight never even came up once in his plan. The three-step formula anyone can copy. So how did he actually do it? Three simple steps that work anywhere in the Philippines: Manila, Quezon City, Cebu, Davao, you name it. Lower your expenses like your freedom depends on it because it does. He stopped eating out every day. Switch to cooking at home. Use public transport or walk more. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. But the game changer, he started growing his own food right on his balcony or small space. He bought affordable plant soils and pots from Shopee and Lazada, premium organic potting mix for under 300 pesos, sturdy plastic pots for 99 pesos each, self-watering herb pots that save even more time. Suddenly, his grocery bill dropped by half. He grew kangkong, tomatoes, herbs, even chili, fresh produce every week, zero delivery fees. He did need a huge business, ladies and gentlemen. He sold extra seedlings and potted plants on Shopee and Lazada himself. He explored affiliate offers, promoting products he actually used. And yes, YouTube shopping makes it easy now. You can link directly to Shopee and Lazada right from your videos. Retirement isn't 60 or 65. It's the exact months your passive or flexible income exceeds your super low expenses. For him, it happened at 24. For you, it could be 35, 40, or 50, or whenever you decide. The fastest path isn't earning more, it's needing less. Here's what makes this perfect for us in the Philippines. House hacking doesn't mean buying a mansion. It means renting smart, maybe a small apartment in Quezon City or a room in a family home and using every square meter efficiently. Add a few pots on the windsill or balcony, and you are growing free food while the space pays for itself. Traffic, inflation, jeepney fares, he turned all of that into motivation to spend less and earn flexibility. No need to worry about SSS pension, timing, or pag-ibig loans if your monthly burn rate is already covered by side gigs. And that's the best part. You can start today with almost nothing. Those plant soils and pots I mentioned, they're flying off Shopee and Lazada right now. Organic compost mixes, terracotta pots that last years, even bigger succulent kits. Thousands of Filipinos are already using them to slash food costs and create extra income selling plants online. If this story is lighting a fire in you, here's your first easy step. Head to the description right here, no? Right now, and use my affiliate links for Shopee and Lazada. Grab high quality organic potting soil mixes, perfect for veggies and herbs. Durable plastic and terracotta plant pots in all sizes. Self-watering systems that make gardening effortless. Every purchase helps support videos like this at zero extra cost to you. Plus, you'll start saving money immediately, just like he did. He did. YouTube shopping makes it seamless. Tap the product, check out on Shopee or Lazada, and you are growing your own savings garden this weekend. Okay, so remember, ladies and gentlemen, the guy is this story wasn't special. Okay, he wasn't lucky. He just decided to stop following this old script. You can do the same thing, no? Lower your cost, build flexible income, make a job optional, not at 60, but whatever you choose. Drop a comment right now. I'm ready if you are done waiting for traditional retirement. Like this video if it opened your eyes. Subscribe for more Philippines-specific freedom hacks every week. Your new life doesn't start at 60. It starts at the moment you decide your expenses no longer control you. See you in the next one, and happy planting, and make a comment. Please do subscribe, share it to your friends, and of course, no, try to subscribe and try to shop on the Shopee and Lazada via YouTube shopping. That's it for today. Thank you so much, and God bless us all.